Meaning of mahjong.
mahjong,
Mahjong.
mahjong,
Mahjong. Mahjong is a traditional Chinese game that is usually played with 4 players. It involves skill, strategy, and a degree of chance, and is similar to the Western games of rummy and gin rummy. The game is played with tiles that are decorated with various symbols and characters, and the aim of the game is to create sets and runs of tiles with matching or sequential numbers and characters. The first player to create a complete hand of 14 tiles wins the game. Mahjong is also sometimes used as a term to refer to the set of tiles used in the game.